What is up, guys? I'm out here today. There's a huge storm. Look at that. This whole entire, oh my god, the thing. I just came out here to try. I love fishing stormy weather. Bass seem to turn on. Look at that mist on the water. It's beautiful. But the bass start to turn on when stuff like this happens because they might think something's going to happen with the pressure changes in the water, and they tend to hit really good. So I'm going to throw a soft jerk bait over here. That's what I'm going to be throwing today. That's the same jerk bait I used in the last video. And it's smuggy water and it's got pretty high. So yeah, guys, I'm going to get into it. I think it's going to be a good day. I'm going to fish some of those trees down there, get some sick B-roll of that miss, and get at it, guys. So I'm going to get straight into it and hopefully get some fish. Guys, let's hit it. Alright, I'm going to throw this first. I'm going to throw the jerk bait first. Wow, it is like super overgrown. Get through this. You hear that, guys? It must be a pipe under where I am. There's rushing water under me. Let's see if I can get them today. It is like awesome weather. It's cooled down. Soft jerk bait. It's an Arkansas Shiner color I'm throwing. And it's a great color, especially in Florida. Look, oh man, that was a big hit near that shore. I want to throw a few times here because there's a lot of cover for the bass to hang out in. Alright guys, let's switch over to the square bill. That jerkbait was just not cutting it. Possibly. I catch stuff here on lipless, but never really a square bill. Come on, guys. Making some weird ass noises, guys. That one, guys. Like a one.